Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to hide a column or a row. Okay, so in this case I want to hide a column here. So in this Excel worksheet I want to hide the column E. So how to do that? Just select the column E, the arrow mark, down arrow, and right click, hide. Okay, how to unhide this? Select the successive two cells, the previous cell and the after the cell E, because E is hidden, so you cannot select that one. So select D and F. Okay, right click, unhide. Okay, this way you can hide a column. Okay, how to hide a row? Okay, I just go here. I want to hide row 7. Right click, hide. Okay, so the row 7 is hidden. Okay, if you want to unhide, select 6 and 7 and unhide. Okay, usually you can do this way, as well as you can unhide using hide. You have two drag bar here. Okay, two lines here. There you go there and double click, also you'll unhide. Similarly for columns also, hide, unhide. You can go here, the double stretch mark is there, double click. Okay, this way you can hide and unhide columns and rows. Okay, what are the shortcuts for hiding? For column you can use control 0. Okay, plus control plus 0, you can have a shortcut to hide a column. Okay, what is the shortcut for hiding a row? You can use control 9. Okay, if you use control 9 you can hide a row. Okay, why we are hiding? Because we don't want some information to be seen on the screen while we do presentations, or it's not seen on the screen because it is not relevant. For example, I don't want to consider in this inventory list, I don't want to know the inventory ID 4 for a temporary purpose, not a permanent purpose. I can leave it from remove it from the table itself, or use a filter on the table, but in temporary purpose I just hide it, and for a visually it is easier for me to see the other rows. Okay, for that we can use hide functionality to hide a column or row. Hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on the next video. God bless you.